back to NAB year 2026. And as you know, today, most of the customers are, of course, searching for a MAM, a DAM system, some technology partners. But at the top, very often, you need to start from the beginning. And the beginning is on a storage. And so we have a privilege to be on the booth of Promise Technology, and very delighted also to get Santos with us. Thank you for the time. Can you express your role and more or less what Promise is doing since so many time?
All right. Yeah, indeed. Promise is one of the oldest company in the storage per se, storage technology itself. And particularly in media and entertainment, we have been providing the storage platform and, for almost 20, 25 year or even older than that. So we have been one of the most reliable storage vendor in media and entertainment industry itself, right? So here, NAB, again, one of the biggest show on media and entertainment.
Since how much time you are at NAB?
We are here for
Since the beginning?
since many years. I mean, before maybe I joined the company itself, and I'm in the company for a very long time. So must be 15, 20 year at least. We have been coming to NAB, and this year, as you can say, that the technology is moving very fast forward, and the AI is entering in the picture for last a few years. So we are very much into that also.
And we know that just like this one, you have a lot of different type of storage,
Right, that is correct.
bar metal, etc. We see everywhere, or even some small drive, etc. So, by the way, Fanny, how you can bring always you can stay at the top of the technology. What technology you can put to improve and to get even faster?
That is correct. So actually, when in media and entertainment right now, particularly, the Thunderbolt 5 is the, you can say, fastest interface for individual user, right? So Thunderbolt 5 is extremely
Yeah.
high speed connectivity between the host and the storage device.
From Thunderbolt 4, it's more or less 3-4 times faster.
Exactly. So we are talking about 80 gigabit per second on a data flow, and 120 gigabit per second on a
And
display.
so you are
right?
hard drive and
So
SSD in the
exactly.
message. Yeah.
So what we are doing here is we have a range of product within the Thunderbolt 5 using the Thunderbolt 5 connectivity. So because the Thunderbolt 5 is faster, so behind it, not only hard drives, but we also are providing the NVMe storage. So you can say we have a product with NVMe only, right? So like here in this case, we have a 4 drive system, which will with your workstation and our N4 product, you have a whole studio on a go in your backpack.
Okay.
With the extremely high speed. Going from there, we have a product which include both NVMe as well as hard drive in single unit.
Okay.
So again, yeah.
And for Promise, what can be the role within the cloud? So today, because sometimes people they have to move to the cloud a couple of things. So did you change some piece of software? So what's your approach regarding local storage and the cloud?
Actually, yeah. So exactly. So in this case, you can say a lot of people are actually depending on cloud storage. So we work with with the cloud synchronization in the back,
Okay.
but cloud is at the end is still expensive and slower.
And so,
Yeah. So whenever it comes to the latency, if you need a lowest latency, you need a very what you can say high speed and instant access to the storage at your station, then
makes
obviously
sense.
you need
Yeah,
on-prem.
makes sense. And you were talking about AI. So what role AI can play with storage?
Right. So again, because actually storage is an integrated part as far as AI is concerned, because all the AI models, AI agents, or whatever is AI application is using, it is always accessing the actual data from the storage, right? So because the raw data is sitting at the storage.
Yeah.
So AI models has to communicate with the storage to access the data
Okay.
in. So In a promise, obviously we have our own engine, we have our own models which optimize the AI application access to the
Okay.
data, actual data behind the database
Okay.
management. So that's what, yeah, so we have a lot of product in the background, you can say, which are service serving from the individual user to the
Right.
bigger team to the large scale data center. So we kind of cover a lot of space within this
We do
market.
imagine. So, by the way, thank you for your time, your
Definitely,
insight,
yeah.
alongside what Promise can change the world of video
Oh yes,
post-production.
we are
And
part of this revolution, you can
and,
say.
and for sure, maybe long years ago
Yeah,
again. Wish you all the best at NAB.
and
By the way,
yes, we will see you again. We were here 10 years ago. We will be here in 10 years later as well. So we'll see you again.
we will change
definitely
in
with a new
somehow
technology.
later, but thank you so much, by the way. Thank you.
Thank you for your time.